we are combining the BCAN fitness trampoline along with the cross rope, ropeless mini jump ropes. Two fun things all in one. Join me today. Let's go. First of all, we want to warm up just a little bit first though. All right, so we want to stretch our arms. We want to keep that stomach engaged, keep it tight. We want to relax the shoulders though, they're down and back. We don't do this when we're holding the jump rope. Okay, so we want to keep it. Now we're just going to do a soft bounce along with the jump rope. So let's just bring our arms up and down. Again, up and down. Now we're just going to circle the arm around. You notice I do not have the bar on today. I took the bar off and just turned the trampoline around so we can use the cross ropes. All right, let's do the other one. We're going backwards. And we're going forward. And forward. With this one. Good. Now open up the chest, bring up forward and back. Just like that. And up again. And down. And up again. And down. Hopefully you don't hear too much noise on my roof today. We have some workers here. All right, so I'm going to turn the music on. I'm going to grab the jump ropes. If you don't have the jump ropes, that's okay. You can still do the movement without the jump ropes, okay? Today I am going to use the lightest one. These are 1/4 pound. You can take this off, really quick change. And I have 2 other ones. I have a 1/2 pound and I have a full pound. I want to order the 2 pounds next. But today, just for the purpose of this video, I am using the 1/4 pound. We only have 2 songs. All right, so let's get started. Let's turn the music on. Just a gentle health bounce, pushing down on the mat. We're going to start with a forward swing. Your arms are to your side. When you use the jump rope, you're not moving your wrists like this. You're keeping them straight. You really want to keep that stomach tight, engaged. Brace it. Start with the forward rope first, forward swing. You're going to start feeling this in your biceps, in your triceps. It's great for your arms. Just baby bounce here. Now push down a little bit harder. And we're going to rest for a second. And we're going to go to a backward swing. Just rest for a second. All right, let's go. Backwards. Now, if you can, walk. Really works the brain. When you're doing 2 movements on the rebounder and using the jump ropes, really works the brain. Even with this lightweight, you're going to start feeling it. This does have an app you can use if you want to count your swings. I don't have it on today. All right, back to the health bounce. All right. Rest. All right, left and right heels. the lymphatic system moving, get those toxins out. Okay, now the next one, we're gonna bring our arms out to the side here. We're gonna do a forward swing. Get the swing first, then we can work on the legs, the feet. So get the swing first.
Step on to the rebounder.
See how my wrists are straight though? I'm not moving them like this. Yes, you don't want to hurt the wrist. Keeping them straight. Okay. Just a little bounce now. Do the health bounce. You want to soften your elbows just a little bit though. We're not locking our elbows. Let's try that again. Out. And let's go.
A little rhythm, a little groove. It feels so good when your body's in the mood. Just keep moving.
All right, bring them down for a minute. Heel lifts.
Every step is something good for you. Bounce and swing. Enjoy the ride. Feeling stronger.
Back to the health bounce. Now let's bring them out and you're gonna go backwards.
Some days we take it slow. Showing up and getting started is how the progress grows. No perfect place is needed, no competition here. We're just moving to the music.
Takes a little practice to get used to these. It does. Okay, rest a minute. Rest your shoulders.
Swing those ropes and leave your worries behind. A little rhythm,
Now we're gonna finish
a little groove.
overhead. This one is more advanced. Bring the arms up and swing them. I'm going backwards and I'm gonna walk.
That's all you gotta do. Every step is something good for you.
March it out. Bounce and swing if you want. Oh, and don't hit yourself, okay? All right, rest a minute. We're gonna finish strong. Ready? Finish strong, going backwards. Woo! Yeah. All right, let's put those down. Yeah. All right. Let's just stretch a little. Bring your arms up over your head. Deep breath in and blow it out. And let's do that again. Arms up and blow it out. Now, bring your arm across your chest. Stretch. Open up your fingertips. Get a good stretch there. Hold. Oops, on my microphone. The other side. Bring it across. Get a good stretch. Now bring it to the back and clasp your hands. Always keep your knees soft, slightly bent. You don't want to put pressure on your back. Bring them as high as you can. Drop. Now squat, push your hips back, and grab that trampoline for a deeper stretch. And up. And make sure you stay hydrated. And that's it for today. That was just a quick workout on the BCAN 40-inch Fitness Pro trampoline. Soft land. Very impressed with this one. But I wanted to kick it up a notch by trying to work on my arms because I'm on the 66-day challenge, right? Yes, to get fit and fit into my wedding dress. All right. Thank you for joining me. I will see you next time on Rebounding with Cheryl. Bye.